Hey there bitches, and welcome back to our channel to Crazy Cannoli. Today, we're going to dive into the world of wonton soup, a delicious and comforting dish that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. Wonton soup is a traditional Chinese dish that's been enjoyed for centuries. It's made with a rich, flavorful broth, and it's filled with tasty ingredients like pork, chives, and shrimp. The key to making a great wonton soup is in the broth. It should be clear, fragrant, and packed with flavor. To achieve this, start by simmering your broth for at least an hour, adding in a variety of aromatics like ginger, garlic, and scallions. This will give your broth a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. Broth 4 to servings, 3 cups 750 milliliters chicken broth. Note 5. 2 garlic cloves, smash 6-inch, 1 centimeter piece of ginger, sliced optional, but highly recommended. 1.5 TBSP light soy sauce, to TSP sugar any. 1.5 TBSP Chinese cooking wine, 1/4 TSP sesame oil. Once your broth is ready, it's time to add in the wontons. These little dumplings are made from a mixture of ground pork, chives, and shrimp, and they're wrapped in a thin, delicate wrapper. The filling should be seasoned with salt, pepper, and a touch of soy sauce, and the wontons should be cooked just until they're tender. Ingredients: 50 to 30 wonton wrappers. Wonton filling: 200 g, 7 ounces lean pork minced ground pork. 200 g, 7 oz peeled prawns, shrimp, roughly chopped. 1 TBSP ginger, finely grated 1.5-3 centimeters piece. 2 shallots, green onions, finely chopped 5 TBSP. 1 TBSP light soy sauce, to TBSP Chinese cooking wine, Shaoxing wine. 1/2 TSP salt, to TBSP sesame oil, toasted. When you're ready to serve your wonton soup, garnish it with some fresh chives and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. This will add a touch of freshness and crunch to the dish. To serve, shallots, scallions, finely chopped. Bok choy, quarter, or Chinese broccoli cut into 10 centimeters, the length's optional. 40-50 grams, 1.5 to 1.75 ounces dried egg noodles per and there you have it, folks. A delicious and comforting bowl of wonton soup, perfect for any time of the year. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious dishes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!